not cool.
There's no one here.
It's my parking lot, man.
I'm sit. Shake. Good boy. I see my girl Daisy, Daisy. Good girl Daisy. All right, man. It's been a long, damn. It's been a long time since I made a YouTube video, and didn't look like I chose the best day to try to do this, but it's what I got to work with. I don't got work today. I don't got a whole lot to do. So I don't know what we're gonna do in this video, but I don't know. It's raining, maybe go do some donuts or something. Definitely gonna need some new tires, and you guys can't really see right now, but I don't know what type of tires I want to get. I don't know if I want to change out my rims and go with the Bravado Tributes and sell these, because I'm kind of over these. But I don't know, man. I have no idea what to do. You know, we're going through coronavirus and stuff, so work ain't that steady, if you know what I'm saying. So I don't know if I need to be making a purchase like that, but I definitely want to change these wheels out. Unless y'all think differently, you guys think I should just leave these on and these look clean, convince me, man, because I want to change. Definitely need a wicker bill. Just got to do that ASAP. It's been way too long. The car's too naked, and I've just kind of had it like this for way too long. So it's time to start trying to do something else with it, trying to spice it up a little bit more. So big wicker bill, new wheels, or maybe just some new tires, maybe some R888s, or a nicer, stickier tire that I could put on the back of these. But I don't know now, because now it's raining season, so there might be no point in doing that, and I might just have to go with something cheap. But let's go with a cold start. It's been a long time. Let's do it. Hybrid ceramic wax on, and it beats off kind of good, but it could be a lot better. Whew. Some water on here. Yeah, so that's another thing I got to do. I bought like a buffer, bought basically everything I needed, damn near start my own mobile detailing business, because I was kind of playing with that thought a little bit of maybe starting to detail cars and stuff, 'cause I love cleaning cars and shit. I was cleaning my car like 3 times a week, and people make pretty good money doing that, so it was definitely in my head. But yeah, anyway, so before I even do any of that stuff, I think I'm gonna start practicing on my car. So I'm gonna do full paint correction, or maybe just polish, because I got hella blemishes and swirl marks and stuff from just going through it with this car, man. Just freaking had it for 55,000 miles, and I daily drive it, so you know, it ain't garage kept or nothing like that. So it's gonna have some blemishes. It's gonna have its character marks, like my front bumper. Done for. Fucking driving on the freeway every day, like 200 plus miles a day. It's gonna do it to it. So I think actually when I do need to replace my full front bumper, I kind of want to go with the wide body kit, but then that means I would have to change out my rear too, so it'd be pretty expensive. So I don't know, maybe in the future, just because I already destroyed my front bumper. And then when you go wide body, if you get the real wide body kit, not just the fender flares, because those never really look like they line up to me, and they never look right. I could always tell. I mean, maybe other people don't really care and they still think it looks clean, but I don't know, I like it to look OEM. If you see the OEM wide body Chargers, they look real nasty and aggressive, so I definitely would consider that. But shit, that shit's expensive. I know it's probably like at least $1,200, and that's without them painted. So then you got to get it painted and all that. But who knows, man? In the future, I'd rather boost my car and do some cooler stuff first. You know what I'm saying? Everywhere, hair from my man. So we just about to go for a little cruise, just go for a little drive, and just kind of talk. I actually got a comment this morning. I don't remember his name. Actually, 1 second. I'm gonna get his name up here. Okay, so Robert Dorner. He asked me why I didn't post anymore, and obviously I told him, man, I've been working 7 days a week. I've been working like crazy. Had the holidays and everything too. But yeah, man, I was working 7 days a week, and then with this new freaking time change, daylight savings, it's pitch black dark as soon as I get home. So there's like no content to do, and I'll be hella tired because I'll be driving super far. So then like driving to like a car meet or something like after, just don't really be in my plans, man. I'd be trying to get home and just kick it. Oh yeah, man, and another thing. Yeah, so I told you guys I was trying to look for like a C5 Z06 to be my daily. Now I don't know, because I don't have a house yet. Don't have a house. I'm renting right now, and that's gotta be like my main priority. I got 3 main goals I want to accomplish this year. So yeah, I got 3 goals this year, and that is to move to Southern California. I wanted to move there my whole life. It's beautiful over there. Kind of more my vibe. I've been in the Bay Area in Northern California my whole life, so that's not true. I did live in Southern California, San Diego for a few years, and it's kind of what made me fall in love with it. So I definitely want to move out there. And number 2, obviously, I want to buy a house out there, so I have my own spot, my own garage, and do all types of stuff. Then it'd be freaking amazing. Because then I could do all my work at my own house. Like right now, like I'm renting and I get other people's homes and stuff, so I follow all their rules and all that stuff that comes with it, man. So I'm ready for my own, man. I need my own. Ladies, ready for work? Just ready. I need my own house. Okay, so I gotta do that. And number 3, what's my 3rd goal? I don't even know what my 3rd goal is, honestly. What is it? Yeah, and I don't know my 3rd goal. I guess it's like to get into like an electrician program, or start working for like a contractor out there. I don't know, do something to further my career and, to get myself in motion and start growing up the ladder and buy cooler cars and shit. Cause grow, man, more money, cooler shit, more cars. Let's traction control off. Still need to cruise for a little bit. Do anything stupid. Double hood scoop. All the horsepower. Sorry, man. I don't know, I might seem like a douchebag or an asshole, but I could never get a muscle car that's a V6. Like, it just defeats the whole purpose. Like, you might as well just got a Honda. Like, I don't know, it's just my opinion. I don't know, it bothers me for some reason. It's stupid. Like, why do I care? It's that guy's car, but I don't know. Like, why couldn't you just get the V8, bro? Stupid little fucking V6 is damn a big COVID test site. Huh. COVID, man. Damn pandemic. It's ruining everything. That's another thing about this pandemic. It's like there's nothing to do. It's raining right now. You can't even go nowhere. You can't even go to a damn arcade or nothing if you wanted to. Not that I'd be going to arcades or nothing, but I'm just trying to make an example. There's just nothing to do, bro. It's like, fuck. I'm over here driving my car in circles in the rain. This COVID-19 needs to get the fuck up out of here. Yeah, man, what y'all been doing to stay busy? Like, bro, like I don't know what to do. Nothing to do. What could I do? Don't know. But I'm spin some donuts right now. So let's go to the spot. Let's go practice some controlled circles. Man, I'm probably somewhere I shouldn't be, but we're gonna do it. There we go. Sorry, man.
Cool.
Huh?
That's not cool.
There's no one here.
It's my parking lot, man.
I'm sorry, brother. It won't happen again. I promise.
All right, I appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem. All right, man. It's just a parking lot. Ain't no one in your parking lot, dude. All right, man. Got my ass home before I get in trouble. I don't want to ruin that guy's parking lot no more. But yeah, man, it ain't no hard feelings. I wasn't supposed to be in this parking lot. He could yell at me. It's all good, brother. Feel it. Not really, because I'd just be out there watching people doing donuts in my empty ass parking lot, because it wouldn't really matter. All right, we made it back in one piece. Let's see what my tires looking like now. Yeah, we shaved a little bit of life off. Yeah, it's time for some new tires, I think. Ain't got no wires or nothing though, so it ain't too bad. Let's see on this one. Yeah. Damn near looking like a drag radial now, but hey, it's all good, man. These lasted me a long time. Probably like a year. Yeah, it's crazy. I don't know how, because I've been doing big burnouts and all types of shenanigans with them on, but they've been pretty good tires. Pirelli P0s. They're hell of expensive, and they're not that sticky either, so. But hey, what I needed, they were cool. I think I'm gonna go with like some Federals or the Delantes. I'm going with something cheap next time for sure, because I do mostly highway driving and stuff, though. I'm not over here going canyon runs or something, so I just need like a cheap, good tire that's gonna last and do me well. And yeah, man, so that's probably what we're gonna go with next. Stay tuned for that video. We'll see if y'all have any tires that y'all would recommend that y'all been putting on the Scat Pack that look nice too, and I know goofy ass cheap looking stuff. Let me know in the comments below. Yeah, man, appreciate y'all for tapping back into another video. It's been a while. Hopefully we can bust some more videos out here soon. And yeah, man, hope y'all have a great new year. And yeah, see y'all later.